All right, well, hey, welcome back. I think you've seen this before. I did last winter. I had this in my driveway and I did a little video showing what might be possible with this truck. Well, we've rolled it in, now we're gonna do it. So we're gonna build this truck and we're super excited. 2008 F250. It's the extra cab, had the canopy on it when I bought it. That's part of the reason I bought it, was just the canopy. I thought it was perfect for overlanding. So we're gonna run with it. We're gonna build this up and kind of learn some things about the truck market. We've been doing the vans, as you know. There's a lot of crossover between trucks and vans, but this is gonna be exciting. There's a lot more wrenching that we're gonna do on this, a lot less electrical and woodwork, but we're still gonna do some. Your subscription and your notifications, all those things, they really help us out. And please watch it and see it through to the end. Let us know what you think. I'm gonna stop here. All right, so here we are. It is the end of day 2. As you can see, we got a lot done in days 1 and 2, and I thought I'd just kind of catch you up here a little bit. Took the front end off. Why, you ask? It was all perfectly fine-ish. You know, we're trying to really kind of bring this up to speed. It's a 2008. So there's been a couple model changes in between 2008 and 2022. So I kind of want to freshen it up a little bit. And so we're going to put kind of a more modern headlight in it, a more modern grille that looks like the Raptor grille. Has the orange marker lights on it, which I really like and think looks really good. An off-road bumper. The hood had some hail damage in it, so I've repaired the dents, or filled the dents, and then I'm gonna do a white Raptor liner on the hood. I've always found that hoods take a lot of beating when you're off-road, and then it also is just a place where things get set. So I'm trying to kind of hedge against that. So I think the Oxford white Raptor liner on the hood is gonna look pretty cool. Also will be a little bit more of a satin finish, so that's always good for just glare and not having the sun bounce in your eyes. So not too much more that is going to be undone on the truck. On the back, we took off the bumper and we took off the taillights. Again, we're going to update the taillights to a more modern style, put an off-road bumper on it. We've left the hitch on until we get the bumper in, because I want to move the hitch up as high as I can and in as far as I can. So we've got a couple things that we're waiting on before I show you more of that. But that's kind of where we're at. We've taken apart some of the interior to undo some wiring from the previous owner, make it to where we can redo some wiring for ourselves. We have a new stereo coming in that I can't wait to show you. It's going to be this cool setup that I think we're going to do. So I'll show you that. Yeah, so we just did a lot of undoing, and now we get to start redoing. So right now we are going to spray in a bed liner. So we're all prepped, almost ready to go. So we're gonna film that, show you that. Tomorrow, day 3, we're going to work on the canopy. So like I said, we're going to put the Raptor liner on the hood. We're also going to redo the top of the canopy, and since it's white as well, we're going to put the Raptor liner on the top of the canopy. That should allow that to last for even longer and be more weather tight and weatherproof for years to come. Since we're putting a rack on top, we want to make sure that it's not that you never need to get back under there again. So hey, all right, so we've got a little over a week into this build. Some things would have been done by now, but we were waiting on them to get delivered. But as you can see, the truck's looking a bit different. We've got kind of an updated grille. So this is like your Raptor style grille. Waiting for the letters to come in. There's a funny story. If anybody, if you ever happen to buy one of these aftermarket grills, you'll know what I mean. But they tend not to ship with the F, the O, the R, and the D, or at least not all together. So I am currently waiting for the O and the D. So, but I'm stoked with how it looks. I haven't chosen my bumpers yet, so we're still waiting on those. But what I'm really excited about is to show you these guys. I got these off of Amazon, and it's updated tail lights and headlights. So really stoked to show you what these look like on the truck. And mainly, it's just going to give it an updated look. So we've got all LEDs in there. It actually was going to reuse the original backup lights. So I just got back from O'Reilly's and have an ultra bright LED light to put in there as well. And then the fronts look like this. So they're going to have that updated kind of LED halo, projector beams. Again, they reuse the stock halogens for the turn signals. So again, I updated those so that it's going to be all LED. 2008, we didn't have the LED systems in these trucks yet. So I just kind of want to give it a facelift. So with the new grille, the new lights, it's going to look just like a modern truck. So we've got these. So I'll cut to those. And then also we have new Bilstein shocks to go with the 1.5" lifted coils that we put in. So I have new shocks front and rear, 2008, it's been a while, so we'll get new shocks. And then I've got fender flares, so super stoked, gonna get to it. I'll cut some photos and show you guys what this looks like as soon as we're done. But we got the canopy back on after being rehabbed, the bed liner in. We got Rhino or Raptor liner on the hood as well. So it's looking pretty tight. So we're gonna get back to it, and I'll show you more later. Cheers.